While Chlamydia and Ricketsia are more similar to viruses even though they are bacteria, I'm going to tell it now. Because Chlamydia and Ricketsia are very small in size, like as much as big as big viruses. They are like viruses even when they are bacteria. Here I'm going to tell them. They are obligate intracellular parasites. Obligate intracellular parasites means like viruses they're going to live inside the cell of animal cell, and they need energy as ATP from animal cells. Outside of the animal cell they cannot survive, exactly like viruses. They need their host's ATP. Host's ATP, what they're going to do means they take out their ATP. Therefore, they are known as energy parasites. They have a system in their cells that is ATP ADP translocator. This systems what they're going to do means they are both present in Ricketsia and Chlamydia. These systems are these forms what means they steals ATP from host cell membrane and spits out ATP. Here it is also cell membrane transport system, that is ATP ADP translocator. This system is present on the wall of cell membrane, which is going to steal ATP from host cell membrane and spits out ADP, which is present in both Ricketsia and Chlamydia. But in Ricketsia, sometimes they make ATP by oxidizing certain molecules by oxidative phosphorylation process. But Chlamydia don't make this completely on stealing ATP from cells. It depends on it, and their growth, they how to grow them when they can need living cells, exactly like viruses. It cannot be grown on non-living artificial media like blue agar, chocolate agar, or blood agar. Any of artificial media it cannot be grown, and it can be grown only on living cells, exactly like chick embryo yolk sac or a chick embryo yolk sac or cell culture like this media. And why they are not viruses when they are more similar to viruses means they have complete cell like prokaryotic cell, and they have both DNA and RNA in them. Well, viruses have only one, either DNA or RNA. They cannot have both of them, and these two going to synthesize their own protein, and these are sensitive to antibiotics. Viruses are not sensitive to antibiotics. These are sensitive to antibiotics. Chlamydia and Ricketsia, they synthesize their own protein. Viruses which can never do. Viruses need host cell to synthesize proteins, and these are not viruses because they have both DNA and RNA. Chlamydia spreads by person to person. Well, Ricketsia spreads by arthropod vector, like from insects they spread Ricketsia. Chlamydia only by person to person contact. Bye.